We are here at the original Rinaldi's, right at the LAX sign in Los Angeles, California, right next to LAX. There's Rinaldi's Cafe. Yes, it's just for pretty much to eat before we jump on our plane to get back home. This has been an awesome trip. But I need y'all to do me a favor. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know how you feel about my videos. Let me know how you feel in general. It doesn't matter, but make sure you share with a friend, share with a family member, share with a coworker. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date to the videos that we are dropping every Wednesday. So we are at the original Rinaldi's, right next to LAX. What we got here is a waffle. And what we got right here is Jake's Special. 2 eggs scrambled on a croissant. Oven roasted turkey or bacon. Lemon aioli. Tomato or spinach. And right here we got the avocado on toast. So we're going to jump on this first. You know how I do with syrup, waffles, and pancakes. Now let's fill up all those little squares. So that's pretty straight. I like the flavor of the waffle, but we're gonna move on to Jake's Special. It's pretty good. This croissant is really soft. Coconut shake, good too. It's just really thick. Really thick. So now I'm gonna move on to this avocado toast. This is a bon appetit first. I have never had avocado toast. So I'm gonna try it out. There's a lot of stuff over here in California that just seems like it's more fresher than anywhere else. Let's see how this avocado toast thing works. I guess you gotta bite it like this. So it's dessert time. This is a New York style cheesecake. Somebody gonna have to explain to me what's the difference in the different styles of cheesecake. I can tell you what type of cheesecake this is. A good cheesecake. That's what it is. It's real soft. And it's not too cold, not too warm.
So the waffle was okay. Wasn't the best I've ever had. It was kind of different. But that croissant, that was pretty good. So was the avocado toast. First time tasting avocado toast. It's like a half a sandwich. That's all it is. This is good. It's really thick. So if you into thick shakes, yeah. But if you don't want it thick, I guess you can ask them, whip it up a little bit longer. But it tastes really good. Coconut milkshake. I like the coconuts. So, it's about time for us to catch our flight.
Reporting to you live from LAX, Los Angeles, California, at Rinaldi's. Yes, Rinaldi's. That's what we went to eat for breakfast. You need to come check it out, man. Sometimes it's not about the food 100%. It's mostly about the environment and how they treat you, the customer service. Our waiter was real knowledgeable in the history of Rinaldi's. There's 3 other locations in Los Angeles or in the California area, and he informed us about that. I loved it. So what I need you to do now is make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below, hit that notification bell, stay up to date with all the things we are doing. A comment to let us know where you think we going to next. If anybody out there could tell me where we going to next, unless you know me, don't try to get no free stuff out of me, you already know me. You will get something for free 99. Drop in the comments where you think we going. Yes, I want to know if you know where we going without knowing where we going. Until next time, Los Angeles, I love you. We will be back. Yes, we will be back. It is a million places to go to eat here in California, and we will be back. Till next time, see you later, bon appetit, freaks.